Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to my tropical garden. Today we're going to talk about Mexicola grande, avocados. As you can see, my Mexicola grande avocado tree is the fruit is starting to ripen. This is probably a little bit early, as the normal ripening time is in October, and here we are at the end of September. As I mentioned before, and I don't need to go through everything, Mexicola grande is one of the hardiest avocados that I grow, taking temperatures down to 20 degrees in the wintertime. It doesn't seem to be bothered by the sun, and the fruit is delicious. But as we walk around here, we can take a look at how lush this tree is, considering we've had many days above 110, 112 degrees. And as you can see, there's zero sun damage on the tree. I have done no shading. I don't water it excessively, maybe once or twice a week for about an hour with a drip hose. But as you can see, it's very healthy. Today we're also going to do a taste test of the Mexicola grande. I have been asked by a number of my viewers if I would do a taste test when they ripen, and I will. Flavor profile. So if we can take a look down here, we have one of the first Mexicola grande that are ripening. This is a small fruit, probably half the normal size. But we're going to cut into it. Probably could be softened a little bit more. But if you'll notice, the seed coat tends to stick. That's one of the disagreeable features of the Mexicola grande avocado. However, and this one probably could have been ripened about another day or two. So, but it's fairly easy just to scrape the skin out. But one thing I wanted to point out is you do not have to peel them. I peel them if I'm going to make guacamole, and I think I'll do another guacamole video. But as you can see, the skin is very thin, and it's edible. As a matter of fact, it adds to the nuttiness of the fruit. The seed is kind of pointed, but it's very fast growing. This will probably have a small tree ready to be grafted in the spring, as they grow very rapidly. As you can see, the skin tends to, the seed coats tend to stick to the avocado, but it can be easily scraped out. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. This one was picked a little bit early. So there we go. Oh, the camera lady wants a taste of this. What do you think?
Very good. Very nutty. It is. And
oily too.
And the skins taste really good too. Very thin.
Now again, you don't have to. You can peel this. It does peel. Or you can scoop out the flesh when making guacamole. But the fruit is delicious. Very hardy. Fast grower, good for borderline areas that you wouldn't normally think you could grow avocados. I believe that if you can grow citrus, you can grow Mexicola grande. My name is Jeff. If you like these type of videos, hit that subscribe button, like, and if you have any comments, make the comments below. You have a good day.